Hey, this is Brianna from Brandastic, and today I'm going to touch on 3 things you need to know when choosing an agency for your SEO. It's hard deciding if SEO is something you want or even need for your digital marketing strategy. It's a complex tactic, and there's a lot to know before you even implement it. In this video, we'll go over 3 things that you need to think about when considering adding SEO to your digital marketing strategy, whether that's through an agency or an in-house team. Unfortunately, SEO cannot produce overnight results. The work we do takes time to gain traction. It can take even longer to see those results. So in those cases, having a robust marketing campaign and potentially even investing in paid advertising can help jumpstart your business while you're waiting for the organic side of things to start gaining traction. Number 2, SEO is multifaceted, and that's why our job is hard. It's not just about complying with Google guidelines or inserting keywords, and it hasn't been that way for a long time. A successful SEO strategy touches on multiple areas, the main ones being technical, on-page, content, user experience, and engagement. If users are coming to your site and can't easily navigate and find information, or if they're just not converting on your site, whether that's add to cart if you're e-commerce, or through lead generation forms for B2B, Google takes all that into consideration when determining if your site is worth ranking. Number 3, content has to be useful. Google focuses on intent-based content. That's what is the intent behind the searches and what are users expecting to see when they type that in search. Google's on a mission to be smarter about search and providing the most valuable information for users. A really great example of this is when I was working in-house, we sold hiking boots and hiking shoes. For the longest time, we were ranking between positions 1 and 3 for just the broad term hiking boots. As Google got smarter about intent-based search, they started ranking more educational pieces over our e-commerce category pages. This is because they realized that when people were searching for hiking boots, they weren't necessarily ready to buy right then. They wanted more information about how do I choose the right hiking boots? What hiking boots are going to be best for my application? And that's why we dropped in rankings and all the educational guides and how-to pieces started gaining rankings and overtaking us. So that's why your content needs to be valuable and meet user expectation. SEO is still important, but the way it's been defined has evolved over the years. Hopefully this video gave you a little insight on what goes into SEO to make it successful and what to consider when you're thinking about adding SEO to your digital marketing strategy. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tips and insights. Thanks for watching.